How many times can I replace my Social Security card? Under federal law, you are allowed to receive up to 3 replacement Social Security cards per calendar year and a maximum of 10 replacement cards over your lifetime. These limits apply strictly to standard replacements where your personal information remains identical to what is already on file with the Social Security Administration. However, there are important exceptions where a replacement will not count against your limits. If you need a new card because you have legally changed your name or because your citizenship or immigration status has changed, these updates do not count toward your yearly or lifetime maximums. Additionally, the government can grant a hardship exception if you can prove an extraordinary need for the physical card, such as needing it to secure a job, housing, or essential government benefits when no other proof is accepted. It is worth noting that you rarely need to present the actual physical card in your daily life. For the vast majority of situations, including starting a new job, opening a bank account, or filing taxes, simply knowing your Social Security number is completely sufficient. If you do find that you strictly require a physical copy, you can request a free replacement by logging into your account on the official Social Security Administration website. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about the latest videos.